Amatip IT Consulting presents a quick guide to data science and big data. Every day, we generate quintillions of bytes of data, from social media, shopping, devices, and more. This is big data. Big data is characterized by volume, velocity, and variety. That's a lot of data, coming in fast, in many different forms. But raw data is like an uncut diamond. To extract its value, we need data science. Data scientists are the skilled craftspeople who transform big data into actionable insights. They collect data, clean it, analyze it to find patterns, and visualize it in understandable forms. Data scientists often use machine learning, training algorithms to predict future trends based on past data. Data science powers many industries. It helps healthcare predict diseases, retail understand customers, finance forecast markets, and much more. At Amatip IT Consulting, we help businesses leverage data science and big data, turning raw data into strategic insights. Ready to unlock the power of your data? Contact us at Amatip IT Consulting. This is powered by amatip.co.uk.